I'm Eduardo Corpeño, and I'd like to invite you to take the second course in the Beyond Arduino Electronics for Developers and Makers series. This second course is about analog input-output. And here I'll tell you the details about this particular second part of the series. For a more detailed description of the whole Beyond Arduino series, please refer to the promotional video of the first course in the series, which is the one about General Purpose Input-Output, or GPIO. So you may want to take this course if you already know how to do some basic tasks on a microcontroller, but you want to learn what's going on inside. You want to learn the electronics behind it. If that's the case, this course is for you. As for the target audience, this course is for makers, for coders, even for beginners. It's really for anyone who would like to learn more about electronics, even if you're afraid of it. Just as a warning, this course is not for hardware designers or electrical engineers. It covers the basic of data converters and operational amplifiers. So this course is not introductory on microcontrollers. You are expected to have some experience with your microcontroller platform. This is not a theoretical course, so it will not go in depth in things that will not come in handy. And this is not an introductory course on programming, so you are expected to know how to code, at least the basics. To get the most out of this course, I recommend that you get a development platform for you to code along and some supporting hardware you would like to experiment with. Please be advised that we do expect some knowledge from you. You should know how to run a basic Hello World in your development platform. You are expected to remember your basic circuit theory. That's Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's laws, and such basic equations. And also you should be confident with some programming language. What will you learn? So the whole series of Beyond Arduino courses attempt to teach you that there's more to life than the Arduino Uno. So if you graduated from the Arduino bootcamp, then there's still a lot to learn if you really want to develop professional embedded applications. And here are the basic things the whole series will teach you. Yet another warning is that this course is not exactly hands-on, only if you want it to be. So there are some project ideas along the course which I suggest you pay attention to and implement the ones that catch your attention the most. But I strongly recommend that you code along. Throughout the series, you'll see a lot of development platforms. Here are some of them. And like I said, this is the second course in the series. If you haven't taken the first one, please feel invited to do so. And keep an eye out for the next one, which is on interrupt-driven embedded software. So roughly, the content of this second course is shown here. First, I'll show you some examples and motivation as to why analog interfacing is important. Then we'll get right down to business, first with digital to analog converters, and then with analog to digital converters. But before we talk about these two, there are some optional lectures on basic elements that are used throughout the design of both types of data converters. And these two basic elements are transmission gates or analog switches and operational amplifiers. Then we'll see how data converters are implemented in microcontrollers. This is how you may have already seen them. And lastly, I'll show you some live demos where you'll see data converters working. So come join us. Let's have fun interfacing with the analog world.